Okay, here's my car sitting out front. That's snow all over the windows, everywhere. And then the second car, snow all over the windows. See how tall the hill is out there? Just snow everywhere. Snow, snow, snow. Snow all over the windows. It's beautiful though. But on the other side, between that hill and the fence, is a sidewalk that goes right down there. It's one that come up to the porch and the steps. Gone. Disappeared. And then you go back over this way. There's a sidewalk. It's my bird feeder. And there's the driveway. You see the part of the car. Gone. There's the street. I hardly see anything driven on it. Gone. Sun trying to shine. Street. Snow. Hardly a street. This is over across the way. Whole lot of snow. 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 This is the second day. This is day the 11th, I believe. But just snow. This car's way over there. But isn't that something? Snow. I'll just stick on the side of the window. Amazing. On the side of the window. I did have some birds out here, but something frightened them away. And I'll see if I can see my steps. I think so. Snow. Snow. Snow on the steps. Snow. We haven't been able to get out and dig it up. Snow coming up to the porch. My flower pots are all covered. Over here, anyway. And there's my ladybug. She's covered in snow. Well, at least halfway. And then I had a little bird. The head is just sticking up. Pelican, I believe that is. And the yellow bird that was sticking up the other day is covered. And